Hello everybody, today we make a chicken Vesuvio. And for this recipe we need peas, pearl, onion, thyme, garlic, white wine, and pater. This is a beautiful chicken I prepared already, salt and black pepper. Okay, first thing I want to prepare the pater. This pater is a gold yogurt. And I got over here for this pater, I got to use salt, oil, black pepper, I got a garlic and thyme. Let's start, and I pour the thyme. The thyme you know got to chop. I put string like this, and you cut. This thyme it's from my garden. Now the garlic, I got 3 cloves garlic over here. And what I do, I cut in half, like this. And the garlic, it's done. Now we use a little salt. Black pepper. And I use olive oil. And one time I use everything, we give a nice turn of the pater, got the oil, the salt, black pepper, thyme, it go every place. Okay, now this is done. Okay, first thing we start with the olive oil. Olio di oliva. Okay. And we start right on this spots over here, because we gotta make the chicken so beautiful. Okay, now the oil I want it to be nice hot, the oil. Because when I put the chicken, this is called Vesuvio. When you put the chicken, you gotta zzz, the volcano. Volcano, it's a Vesuvio. Okay, we started with the chicken. Okay, we put over here. The skin got to be done first. I want the skin to be nice and crispy. And when I eat the skin. Good. Okay. Now we cook this on medium to make the skin a nice color. After that, we got to turn the other side. Okay, now it looks good, and now we flip on the other side. And now you gotta stay like 3 more minutes to cook the other side. Okay, now it's a time of Vesuvio. Vesuvio the volcano, Vesuvio, boom! And we put wine. But I want to take this with the wine, because I don't want to blow up my house. I load the gas. And we put the wine a little bit, because I don't want the flame underneath the house. Take it easy. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Look at the boil of the volcano Vesuvio. Okay, now the chicken ready, the wine, everything okay. Now we take it out, I load the gas, and we put it right on the spots over here. It looks really, really beautiful. Now we raise the flame, and now it's time I want to saute this pater. Okay, now we put the pearl onion. Now this, I saute a little bit, and we put it together with the chicken. Let me fix the chicken a little bit. And I fix the chicken like that. And this side, and like this. And now the pater de onion, It go right on these spots over here. All right, we turn the gas off and we put the potato a little bit down like this. Okay, this we put it right in the oven. I got the oven, it's a 400 degree, ready to go. Now this you gotta go for 35 minutes. After that, we put the peas. All right, good. Okay, it's 35 minutes. We take the chicken out. And now, it's time to put the peas. Okay, now this is the peas. And let's put it right over here. And I want to mix it with the potato and the pearl onion. Let me put my gloves on. I don't want to burn myself. We move this piece of chicken right over here on your place. And let me mix now the peas, the potato. I want to take everything nice. And look how beautiful, look at the chicken. Nice, the skin, look how nice color it got. Really beautiful. Now this you gotta go back in the oven for 10 minutes to give a chance to the peas to cook the same everything. And put it back in the oven. And look how beautiful it look. Okay, 10 more minutes and this will be ready. Now it's done, about 45 minutes, and let's take it out. And look how beautiful it look. Really, really good. Oh, I want to get a feast tonight. Okay, now I want to taste my chicken Vesuvio. And look how beautiful it look. It tastes good too. Let's put it now. I got a peas, potato, and pearl onion. Okay, now let's see the. Like I said, I love the skin. Oh, look how nice, crispy. Huh? And the onion. The peas. This is a fresh peas. And the potato, look how beautiful. A nice glass of wine. And I want to say to everybody, salute e chin chin. Thank you. Okay, we started with the chicken. I use my tongue. Okay. This is chicken, the flavor, it blow your mouth. Boom!